Can you believe this video is also AI generated?
Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create fun AI generated videos just like this one and even more for free. It is very simple. Share this video so others can enjoy it while you learn. Ask your questions in the comment. I will be attending to all of them.
What's up, guys? I see a lot of people taking money to teach people these things, but I'm going to show you here for free. Head to your browser and search VEO 3, like you can see on my screen. When you type that, just look for this link, this one that says Google DeepMind. Okay, so click on it and it's going to open right away. And once it does that, just scroll down. Yeah, you're going to see try in Gemini and try in flow. So we're going to click on the try in flow. All right. So you just go ahead and click that and allow it to load. So this is the flow platform. So just click on it and then you get started. Click on get started and then sign in with your Gmail account. That's your Google account. So just do that. Actually, we are going to I'm going to show you what to do just in a minute. Okay. So this is a platform where you'll be doing everything. So you don't need to be scared. The subscription is free for the first month. Okay. So you can subscribe and they'll just test your card with like 50 naira debit or thereabouts, and they will refund it back to you immediately. So after subscribing, the idea is you go back after a month or before the subscription ends, you go and cancel the subscription so that you will not be charged. It's a kind of free trial for 1 month. So that's what we'll be using. All right. So just click on subscribe and it will come. You can see it's supposed to be 28,500 naira for me since I'm from Nigeria, but for the first month it's free, as you can see here. So that's what we want to leverage on and enjoy. So just click on it on get Google AI Pro. So you enter your card details here. As for me, I already have my card details entered on the platform. So I'm just going to select it, then click subscribe. For you, you may just have to enter your card details. So just use any of your card. Yes, and that's it. Subscribed. So it's going to load and lead you to where you start generating videos. Okay, so just click on new project. Yeah, you can see new projects down here. Just click on new projects. So it's going to open a new project. Down here, you can see text to video. You have text to video, frame to video, ingredient to video. We'll be using text to video, as you can see. And then on the right hand side here, just click those lines there. You can see the options there. It's currently on VEO2 fast, but we'll be using VEO3 fast. VEO3 fast text to video. That's what we'll be using. Okay, so once you have that selected, you are good to go. So the next thing is if you click on your icon top right corner, you're going to see your credits, your AI credits. So as you generate, they'll be charging you credits. And once you're out of credit, you can also buy more credits. Yeah, you can get more AI credits there. So I've done some generation already. So, but let me do this final one. And for the prompts, I use ChatGPT to generate prompts. You can see what I have there. So you just ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for VEO3 then you explain the scenario you want, what you want to create, and it's going to, generate the prompt for you. So you just copy the prompt from ChatGPT and then you take it to VEO3 and just enter it there. It's as simple as that. Whatever you want ChatGPT to do for you, just explain it. ChatGPT will bring out the prompt for you, and you can go ahead and just ask it further questions to, edit it, turn it to whatever, however you want it, is going to, rewrite the prompt for you. So once you are okay, just copy it, edit it and copy it and head back to VEO3 uh, platform and we're going to use it. For this one now, editing the results that ChatGPT gave. So I'm trying to edit some unwanted text from it. So all these prompts, I'm going to leave them in the description of this video. So do well to check them. And if you need more prompts, just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to supply you prompts, any prompts you need. But it's better you get used to, generating this prompt yourself. So just play around with ChatGPT and you are going to get something nice. So once you get a good prompt, just head back and enter it, and you wait for uh the platform to generate the video for you. So let me just give you a quick way to ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for you. Let me just explain something quick. For example, now you want to generate maybe a promotional video for your product. Let's say you are a fashion designer and you need the AI to generate somebody um, talking about your product. Let's say a lady. You can just go to ChatGPT and say, okay, I'm a fashion designer. I have some shirts I want to, or my clothings I want to sell. Can you generate a script for a lady explaining these products, these clothing products for my customers? Let the background be a fashion store where we have clothes and other fashion materials in the background, and let the lady be within certain age range. So just explain all the details, and ChatGPT is going to give you the text to video prompts. All right. So I think this is out now. Let's listen. Let's listen to the results.
Can you believe this video is also AI generated? Can you believe this video is also AI generated?
Wow, you can see how amazing the result is. So once you generate, you can go ahead and click that download button on each of the clips. If you want to do multiple clips, maybe you want to create a long video, so you create each scene. You know, each scene, the maximum seconds you can get is 8 seconds. So if you want to do a longer video, you create each scene. So you plan your script. Let ChatGPT know that, okay, you want to create a 1 minute let's say a 1 minute video. So help me divide the scripts into 88 seconds. Okay, 88 seconds clips for a 1 minute video. So it's going to do all the division for you. All you have to be doing is copy and you come and create each of the clips. I hope you understand. If you are still confused, please let me know in the comment section so I can help you out. All right. This tool can be very, very helpful, especially for business owners. If you want to create now, they pay video editors so much to make promotional videos. But with this tool, those that can't afford to pay video editors can just, get into ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to generate prompts about what they want to advertise, and you take it to VEO3 platform, generate your promotional clips, then head to Canva, CapCut, and put them together. As simple as that, you have your amazing video. Okay, so once you have more than one video and you want to combine them together, you need a third-party app like Canva, edits, InShots, and the likes. Okay, where you upload these individual clips and match them together and export as a single video. If you are still confused about any aspect, just let me know in the comment section. I'll do well to explain further in the comment section. Okay. So if you find this video very helpful, please do well to share it so that others can also benefit. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like the video also, and I'll see you next time with another amazing tip.